Hi, this is Neil Cole from Conversion Uplift. Are you fed up of seeing the red header and the countdown in GA3 when you go into look at your analytics property? Well, there's a way of getting rid of the countdown and the header I could show you. So if you went into your admin area and you click on the complete setup and then open your linked property, you get this countdown. So 41 days left. So what you can do is get a Chrome extension to remove this. So go to Google Chrome Store. Then type in Google Analytics user interface. And this is it. It's the Google Analytics user interface cleaner. So select that, add to Chrome, add extension. And it's showing, there you go, showing this on. Okay, so what we do now is go back to our GA3 property. We can click on the extension. So that's here. It's this one here. I'm going to pin that, which we've done. And then just click on remove countdown pop-up. And then you can also remove announcements banner and apply. And then just refresh. And there you go. It's removed the countdown pop-up and also the red banner. Hope you found that useful. We'll share more videos shortly. Thank you. Bye.